Welcome to the world of style. Every face deserves the perfect haircut, and today we'll help you find yours. Trendy, classy, timeless. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the most loved haircuts of 2025. Number 1. Haircut curtain bangs. Let's get started. Cut a small triangle between the eyebrows, just enough for the eyeshadow area. Now cut the sides diagonally, so the bangs wrap around the face shape. Make it long, reaching down to the chin line. Do the same on the other side, diagonally and long. Match it to the chin line. Once again, this is important. These bangs are optimized to cover the cheekbones and face shape. Be bold but careful. Trim little by little while checking in the mirror. Check if both sides are even. Be bold but careful. Trim little by little while checking in the mirror. And it's complete. I filmed this for people who don't have time to visit the salon. But since bangs are one of the most important parts, if you have time, I recommend going to a professional shop. Number 2. Haircut curly curtain bangs. Let's get started. Cut a small triangle between the eyebrows, just enough for the eyeshadow area. Now cut the sides diagonally, so the bangs wrap around the face shape. Match it to the chin line. Comb all the hair properly. Divide the hair into 2 sections. Take the scissors comb and lightly trim through all the hair. Hold the front section in your hand and divide it into 2 parts. Finally, dry the hair and the cutting is done. Number 3. Hush haircut tutorial. Let's get started. Hush cutting is very easy. Just like K-pop singers get it done. Simply take all the hair from the top and cut it forward in a round shape. Hold the scissors very lightly in your hand. Take small sections of hair and keep cutting in the same way. The entire haircut will be in a round shape, starting from the front of the face to the back of the hair. Look, the haircut is ready. See how easy it was. Number 4. Wolf haircut tutorial. Let's get started. First, take the front hair in a V shape using scissors. Then bend the right side and cut. Do the same on the other side. After that, trim the hair with the help of scissors. Next, divide the back hair into 2 parts. Cut lightly with the scissors on the same side as the front cutting. Repeat the same on the other side. Then trim the hair again. Dry all your hair with a dryer. Blow dry the top hair first, and then the bottom hair. See, an easy haircut is ready. Number 5. Butterfly haircut tutorial. Let's get started. First, take scissors. Then make a ponytail in the front. Make another ponytail at the back, upwards. Take a small bottle and use its length to cut the front ponytail. Trim it neatly. Do the same with the back ponytail. Measure with the bottle, cut, and trim using scissors. Now, release the front ponytail and trim both sides with scissors. Check each section of hair, one by one, to make sure they are even. And that's it, the butterfly cut is ready. See how easy it was. Number 6. Layers cutting tutorial. Let's get started.